How to test catch blocks and ensure Sonar coverage in C# with NUnit. Introduction. Testing exception handling paths, especially catch blocks, is crucial for comprehensive code coverage and robustness. However, testing catch blocks can be tricky because exceptions are often swallowed inside these blocks, making typical exception assertion methods fail. This guide explains how to write NUnit tests that trigger and verify catch block execution, ensuring your code coverage tools, like SonarQube, recognize these paths. The challenge. Consider this async method where exceptions are caught internally. Trying to assert an exception at call site like assert.throws_async exception equals getData ID won't work because the exception is caught inside the method and never propagates. How to test the catch block properly. 1. Force the exception via mock setup. You can configure your mocks to throw an exception when called, replicating failure conditions inside the method. This triggers the catch block during the method execution. Example. This confirms the exception is handled internally and the method returns a safe value, null. 2. Confirm no exception escapes. To ensure robustness, write a test that simply verifies no exception propagates out. This asserts that calling the method never causes the test to fail due to exceptions. Why not use assert.throws_async? Assert.throws_async expects the exception to be thrown and not caught. Since your method catches exceptions internally, assert.throws_async will always fail. Instead, test side effects of the catch block, like return values, logs, or state changes. Summary. To cover catch blocks in tests, use mocking frameworks to simulate exceptions inside dependencies. Verify the method behaves correctly, example, returns expected fallback values. Ensure no exceptions propagate unexpectedly. This approach allows SonarQube to detect coverage for your catch blocks without modifying your production code solely for testing. Additional tips. If possible, add logging inside catch blocks and verify logs in tests. Consider extracting fault-prone code into smaller, individually testable methods. Use throws_async with mocks to simulate async exceptions realistically. Following these steps will improve your test coverage and confidence in exception handling.